1 and 2 and 3 and 4. What's up, people? I'm Junior el Artista con otra clasecita. So if you follow my last class online here on YouTube, you know that we did the third step on the basic, and that's called easy or tranqui. So that's what we're gonna start off this really cool move that we have here. So on 8 counts, we're gonna have a really cool combination. So we're gonna start off with the basic, the third basic I showed you guys on the last video, the tranqui. So we're gonna start off with tap, 1, 2, 3, tap. That's a half basic. Yeah, one more time. We're gonna go for 1, 2, 3, tap. From there, we're gonna do a little dip with our right knee, and then we're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so we're gonna go 4, 5. So on your heel, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's the first move. So we're gonna step the half basic, tranqui, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around to show you guys from the back. So we have tranqui, tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, one more time. Tranqui, tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One last time. Tranqui, tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Okay, guys, so from there, now we have a half basic with tranqui. We have tap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we have the 8, our last count, and the left foot on the front. Then we're going to run out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then we go back with our right, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. One more time with the back to you guys. So we have tap, tranqui, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So now you probably have this under control. We're gonna try it out with some music, then you'll have some fun. Ready? Let's go. Let's turn around. Let's go. What's up, guys? I'm Junior el Artista. I'm an international bachata instructor, and I would love to give you guys some tips, suggestions, or even classes online. Follow me on Instagram, Junior el Artista, and also on Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe. A like would be awesome. See you guys later.